Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline Kombi in the short wheelbase. This vehicle comes into stock with a 2.0 BiTDI engine pushing out 204 PS and comes with a DSG 7-speed automatic gearbox. The van is finished in the pearlescent paint colour deep black and comes with a few interesting features. Across the front of the vehicle, it comes with a colour coordinated front bumper complete with front parking sensors and front fog lamps. This van also features LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. Down below, the vehicle sits on the stylish 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke star design. The van comes with rear parking sensors. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view camera system as well, allowing you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The van comes with twin electric sliding doors, behind which there is a middle passenger bench in a 2-to-1 configuration. The fabric is finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery and comes up front with 2 armrests for the front 2 passenger chairs, along with plenty of leg space. There is also a few creature comforts such as a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points. Electric sliding doors can be operated from within the cab as well. In terms of entertainment, this van comes with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system complete with App Connect, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, including access to cruise control. This vehicle comes with minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.